Here are some highlights of the Weaver's World AP Government Unit materials. First, let's take a look at all the materials that are included in the giant PDF, which includes the Start Here document. Please open up the bookmarks that will help you easily navigate the PDF. Don't miss the scope and sequence that is laid out for either a 1 or 2 semester course and corresponds with a set of PowerPoint slides and learning objectives from the AP course and exam description. The PDF of the PowerPoint and handout form is perfect for distributing to your students so they aren't scrambling to take notes but can focus on your lecture and make relevant notes in the margins. The PDF of the PowerPoint with teacher lecture notes is really where the value of my materials lies. I've included cues for conversation starters, comprehension questions, notes to expand your own teacher background knowledge, as well as links to websites and activities to engage your students and enrich the content. You'll find a PDF version of the unit exam and answer key. Both of these documents are in an editable Word document, but for a quick view here, you'll see that the exam is in the same format as the national exam students will be tested on each May. Each unit exam includes 28 multiple choice questions and 4 free response questions. You'll see in the answer key that each question is broken down according to the question type, including quantitative, qualitative, and visual analysis. The majority of the questions are concept application questions, as well as a few comparison and knowledge-based questions. Each question corresponds with a specific disciplinary practice, reasoning process, and learning objective. Let's take a quick look at the PowerPoint so you can get full use of the teacher lecture notes. Be sure to expand the notes in the normal pane to see them. Also, you may prefer the notes pages where you will be able to access the links. Unfortunately, the links are not active in the normal view. Finally, use Presenter View to see upcoming slides as well as another view of the lecture notes. I hope this preview helps you to see the highlights of the Weaver's World materials.